What's up everyone and welcome back to our channel, and for today's video we're going to teach you how to bind grenades to a specific keys, making it easier to access your utility and improve your gameplay. But before we jump into the action, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest adventures, and it'll keep you on the loop for future content. And to our returning viewers, welcome back, and we appreciate your ongoing support and could not wait to embark on another CS2 journey. Now let's get right into binding grenades to specific keys in Counter-Strike 2. Okay, doing that gives key advantages. Like the most immediate advantage is the ability to quickly access and use your grenades, and you can instantly equip a specific grenade with a single key press, saving valuable seconds in critical situations. By binding grenades to dedicated keys, you have more control and precision over your grenade throws. It is especially important for tactical throws like smoke grenades and flashbangs, where precise placement can change the outcome of a round, right? Efficient use of utility grenades is crucial in CS2. Binding grenades allow you to maximize your impact because for obviously, the efficient use of grenades in CS2 allows you to maximize your impact in rounds by using the right grenade at the right time without fumbling through your inventory. Manually switching between grenades in the heat of battle can lead to mistakes or missed opportunities. So binding grenades minimizes the chances of errors and ensures you always have the correct grenade at hand. With the binds in place, you'll consistently use the same keys for specific grenades, which helps in developing muscle memory. It can lead to more instinctual and quicker decision making during matches, and having grenades at your fingertips, it gives you a tactical advantage over opponents who may not have grenade usage optimized. You can, control choke points, execute retakes, and defend attack bomb sites more effectively. In team-based gameplay, consistent grenade binds makes it easier to coordinate tactics with your teammates. Everyone knows which keys to press for specific grenades, leading to better teamwork and execution. And the flexibility, because the custom binds allow you to choose which keys to use for each grenade type, tailoring your setup to your preferences, right? And to do that, all we gotta do is go to our console, and I have here some of the I believe this should work. This is how I have them, and they are working perfectly for me, right? Say mouse 5 by slot 6. Smoke grenade slot 8. All right, let's say bind 4, bind Molotov, slot 10. And the last that I have here for now is decoy slot 9. And there you have it, guys. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more CS2 tutorials in the future. And I'll see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.